Hey everyone, Sam from Original Garage Moto. Today we're going to talk about a wide range of OG speed fork braces for Harley-Davidson models and some of the different options we offer. Our OG speed fork braces are carefully designed to improve your ride stability, riding precision, and greatly reduce front-end twists while cornering at speed, greatly improving resistance to deflection and twisting in the forks. Our billet fork brace will change the way your bike feels, especially on the bagger models. All our fork braces are fully CNC machined out of solid billet aluminum. They are made out of a 5-piece design for easy installation. They all feature a Machine OG logo on the center brace for that premium finish. Every kit comes with stainless steel hardware. Our bagger version includes fork dust seals for both 41 and 49 millimeter forks, since you'll have to remove your cowbells on those touring models. Our braces are available in all our 8 anodized colors, including the popular ST Bronze, and also our 3 chrome finishes. Our 39 millimeter fork brace will fit most 39 millimeter narrow glide front end, including Sportster, Dynas, and FXR models. Our 49 millimeter speed fork brace will fit both Dynas and M8 Softail equipped with conventional 49 millimeter forks. Our touring 41 millimeter model will fit 2013 and down touring models. And finally, our 49 millimeter touring fork brace will fit 2014 to present touring models equipped with conventional forks, including the new 2024 and up platform. Alright guys, if you have any questions regarding some of these products, please feel free to call us, email us at any time. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.